Betreklike voornaamwoorde. So in this video, we are only going to focus on betreklike voornaamwoorde as voegwoorde and how you will get it in your grade 12 IEB exam paper. Okay, so these are the questions that you will get. Die man bestuur die motor, hy is dronk. And then they tell you to do die man wat. Another example, die roos ruik lekker, die roos is rooi. And you have to do die roos wat. Okay, so what is the first thing that we're going to do? We are only going to focus on this sentence now. Die man bestuur die motor, hy is dronk. The guy is driving the car, he is drunk. So die man wat, the guy that. So the first thing is, kanselleer die woorde wat dieselfde is of dieselfde beteken. Meaning, words that are the same, like literally the same words, or that mean the same. So in this case, it is die man en hy. Because both of these words, die man en hy, both refer to the guy. And we are starting our answer with die man. So we're not going to use the words die man again. So we're going to cancel those out. What is the next one? Jy gaan jou antwoord met sin 2 begin, maar skuif die werkwoord na die einde. So what they are saying is we are going to start our answer with the second sentence. Okay, there it is. We're going to start with that. So after die man wat, we are going to put that in there. However, they also say the second part, maar skuif die werkwoord na die einde, but we are going to move the verb to the end. And what is the verb? Is. So there we swapped it. Now it is dronk is. So let's do what they asked. We're going to take those and put it next to our beginning of our answer here. So die man wat dronk is. Okay, what is the next thing that we're going to do? Skryf nou sin 1 neer. So now we are just after our comma going to copy sentence, what is left of sentence 1. And what is left? Bestuur die motor. Okay, and we are just going to put that there. And then our answer is die man wat dronk is, bestuur die motor. And you'll see the rule or the format is always that we end with a verb, which is, then we have a comma, and then we start with a verb again, which is bestuur. Okay, and then number 4. If there are any other words that is also in your answer that they gave you, you're going to cancel that out. So kanselleer ander woorde wat reeds in your antwoord is. So we didn't have any in this sentence, but we might in another example. Let's look at another easy example. Die roos ruik lekker, die roos is rooi. So what words are either the same or mean the same? In this case, it is easy. It literally is the same, die roos, because the roos is already here, and we don't want to copy it again by accident. So what do? We go to sentence 2. There. But we have to take the verb to the end. So let's swap it. And now we're going to write it down. Die roos wat rooi is. And now what do? We are going to go to sentence 1 and just copy it like that. Die roos wat rooi is, ruik lekker. And you see, we always will have at the end of this sentence, in front of our comma, a verb. And then after the comma, a verb as well. So now we're going to look at how they like to ask it in the grade 12 exam papers. So I've looked at a few of the past papers, and they ask it almost always like this. Not as easy as the example, but as I'm going to show you. So this is an example of a past question. So die seun is 11 jaar oud. Ek praat van die seun. And our answer need to start with die seun van wie. Okay, so what is the first thing that we're going to do? We're going to cancel out any words that are the same. And there we have it, die seun, and also because this die seun is in our answer. But do you see there's another word in one of our sentences that is also in our answer that we also need to cancel out? And there we have it, van, because there we have van. Die seun van wie? So we're going to take out van as well. So now we're going to go to sentence 2. Ek praat. We're going to use that one first. However, we need to send our verb to the end, but it's already at the end. So we're just going to write it down like that. So die seun van wie ek praat. Then we're going to go to sentence 1 and just copy it like that. Is 11 jaar oud. And again, it will always be, we will end with a verb here, and then a comma, and then start with a verb. after the comma. Let's look at another example from a past paper. Die pen is rooi. Die onderwyser skryf met die pen. Die pen waarmee. So the first thing that we would cancel out is the pen, because we're going to start with that in our answer as well. But you see another word that we're going to cancel out. Met, because here we have waarmee. And you remember, waarmee is wat plus met. So we're going to cancel met out as well. So our answer would be, die pen waarmee die onderwyser skryf, is rooi. And there you have it. I hope that this helped you. Goodbye.